Did you know? Python, the sleek, powerful programming language, now ranks as the second most popular language worldwide, surpassing Java and trailing only behind JavaScript. Quite a feat considering it has been around for less than 3 decades. What sets Python apart from its contemporaries? It's the simplicity, readability, and efficiency. Python's syntax is clean, easy to understand, and almost reads like English, making it a darling among novice developers and a refreshing change for seasoned coders. Take JavaScript, for instance. It's a fantastic language, no doubt. It powers the dynamic and interactive elements of most web pages today. But when it comes to writing complex programs, JavaScript can become a tad overwhelming with its multiple libraries, frameworks, and somewhat convoluted syntax. On the other hand, Python offers a straightforward approach. It's like a breath of fresh air in a room filled with technical jargon. Python believes in keeping it simple. Whether it's web development, data analysis, machine learning, or artificial intelligence, Python provides a clean and efficient way to achieve your goals. Then there's Java, a classic, robust, and object-oriented language. It's the backbone of many enterprise-level applications. But Java can be quite verbose, requiring more lines of code to accomplish the same tasks as Python. In a world where time is of the essence, Python's simplicity and efficiency give it a clear advantage. Of course, one must not forget C++. A powerhouse in its own right, C++ offers incredible performance and control. But with great power comes great complexity. The steep learning curve of C++ can deter many beginners, but Python, it welcomes one and all with open arms, offering an easy entry point into the world of programming. Python's popularity isn't just confined to the coding community, it's also a favorite among scientists, mathematicians, and data analysts due to its powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. These libraries simplify complex tasks, making Python a preferred choice for scientific computing and big data analysis. No wonder Python has managed to carve a niche for itself in the crowded programming landscape. It's user-friendly, efficient, versatile, and powerful. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to diversify your skills, a scientist trying to crunch complex data, or a beginner taking your first steps in the world of coding, Python has something to offer you. Now you might think, I'm comfortable with my current programming language, why should I switch? Well, think of it this way, learning Python can only enhance your skills, broaden your horizons, and open new doors of opportunities. So, dive into the world of Python, explore its simplicity, appreciate its power, and leverage its versatility. You never know, Python might just become your new favorite programming language. After all, there's a reason why it's the second most popular language in the world.